Hey, is this thing on? All right, here we go. We are back. I have a little explaining to do to you guys. So, it was suggested to me not to post any videos for a little bit by a lawyer because we all know my situation with my lovely old neighbors. Well, to make a long story short, they were suing me for, what was it, public nuisance? Public nuisance, really? Come on. They couldn't get me on sound or anything like that because there's no noise ordinances out in the country. There's none of that commercial vehicle laws and junk, whatever. So I took a little hiatus. We settled. I can post videos if you're watching this. It is all settled finally. I have a whole backlog of videos that I still shot while we were on a little hiatus. I just didn't post anything. So we'll go back to some of those. Working a lot on Evan's truck, getting Evan's 68 F100 back on the road. But today, we're going to my cousin's house. And my cousin's got a 4th gen. It's an 11 Mega Cab 6-speed 4-wheel drive. He's got some work done to it. It's pretty stout, enough that, I mean, well, G56s blow up like nobody's business, but he popped that. Had our boy Super Stick Transmissions build him a trans. He puts the trans in and pops the turbo first day out. So we're gonna go rebuild his turbo, and we're gonna build it, send it way, on the old garage bench. I don't even know what kind of tools he's got there, but I bet you I can build that turbo, and we'll take it from there. All right, let's go for a ride, eh? Alright, fools. So, here we are. Knucklehead. Hey! Kyle, you've seen him in the past. Oh yeah, John, it's fine. Turbo's fine. Are you sure, Kyle? The thrust bearing's pretty well wiped. Nah, it's fine. Let's just get a rebuild kit. Okay, I'll be right there. Cue the sound. It's not. And let's take a look. Let's take a look-see here. So, here's our turbo. What is this? A 467.7 something or other. Who makes it?
Yeah, it's stainless diesel.
Stainless diesel. Sweet charger. This thing was super impressive. Let me get this thing to focus.
I can't believe it took this long to...
Yeah, it Kyle literally beat the living poop out of this thing. And it... What was it? You put new injectors in the truck and took it out for a little romping with the new trans?
No,
or
it's dual fuelers.
Yeah, the dual fuelers, that's it. Little dual fuelers and a good trans, and kaboo! Ting, 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 ting. So he heard that, and I was like, you sure the wheel's fine? Yeah, it's totally fine. Let's take a gander here. I mean, I don't even need it to be in that much focus. Jeez Louise.
Because I wasn't.
Yeah, John, it's fine. If you witness this, let's say that's a little cattywomp. Little cattywomp. We got some machining marks from the housing here and here. She's pissed, needless to say. So I suggest against rebuilding this.
It's not to say we're not going to.
I mean, like I said, we got the kit. I'll slap it together, but I know you, and this thing's gonna go boo again very soon. But
help me, I'm poor.
Yeah. So we're not gonna rebuild this thing, I don't think. I was all set up here on the back of the golf cart.
Yeah, come on now.
A couple blocks of wood, some tools.
Any shop, any flat surface.
Yeah. Even right against the damn garage door because it's freaking pouring out here. Look at this. Pouring. Well, I was hoping we were going to put this turbo together and go beat the dog poop out of the truck some more. But Kyle's an idiot.
No. No dice.
Kyle's an idiot. So we're not doing it. And yeah, I don't know what else we can do for today. We could take the old Grinch out. Is the Grinch on the road?
Is the Grinch never not on the road?
Well, maybe we can go get in some trouble. I don't think I have to pull Kyle's leg too hard to go do some spin. So let's see what we can do, huh? So this is Kyle's 4th gen Patriot Blue. It's wonderful. We've hit several deer with the thing, and a few cars.
I don't think he had light.
And yeah, we don't worry about the headlights. So Kyle, it's freaking pouring. Like, oh my goodness. What do we got here? It's a little 6.7. She's been rebuilt a bit. She's pretty though. All right, I'm soaked. When did you pop this thing? How many miles on it?
47?
47,000 miles on it. It went knocking. And yeah, the motor came apart. Found a ringland broken. We did some 12 valve rods, balanced bottom end, ceramic coated pistons, big old honking cam, and yeah, slapped her together. She was rowdy and very impressive. That cam really wakes the truck up, especially with something with this much displacement. Yeah, so now we got some dual fuelers. I think you said you had bigger injectors, or you're getting bigger injectors?
Yeah, 100% SMS.
100%.
Dual fuelers, 265 fast, Mishimoto intercooler, triple disc clutch, super stick transmission, rebuilt transmission.
Yeah.
He is top notch. This thing should have been paving like a Land O'Lakes container because it shifts like butter. That man knows what he's doing.
So, yeah, we'll have to come back one of these days and go get rowdy in this thing.
We'll have nitrous in the plan too.
Don't tempt me with a good time. I know where I got nitrous. Yeah, skirt bang, pop. Yeah. So let's go play in the Grinch, maybe?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. You got a remote start for that thing?
Yeah.
We'll go fire this thing up. All right, let's go. You know what? Just in case, I'll grab my rain jacket. Oh yeah. Little street tractor. Here we go. Yeah. Ow! I got my rain jacket just in case.
97 Larrabee, come on.
Oh, good. Alrighty, here we go. What kind of BS are we gonna get into? 12 valve foot, baby.
It's Dodge country. Except for one junk ass Ford.
Chevy.
Or Chevy. That's right, I don't buy them.
So here we are in the Grinch. We call it the Grinch because it's green and she's mean.
And I hate Christmas. Factory toolbox, not able to down. Come on!
We don't worry about that little guy.
It's just so you have options.
It's for weight transfer.
Yeah, that too.
Traction. That's why we didn't do that burnout too long.
Yeah.
One thing you gotta remember, people, whether you got 100 horse, 150 horse, 300 horse, it don't matter.
Everybody has 600 horse in the rain.
Everybody has 600 horse in the rain.
But when you do have 600 horse and it's raining,
it's not a good time.
Not a good time.
So, now's the time to play when you got a low horsepower truck.
Hey, you don't talk about her like that.
She's alright. She's good. She's a plow. Something. What?
Hewer.
Oh, I think that's a polite way of saying it.
Yeah. I'm interested.
might actually technically have 800 horsepower because we got some leaves on the ground too. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
You boys like Mexico? We just took a short trip down to Mexico in the Grinch. Look at that toolbox. Oh my good God almighty. Bye. Thanks. You left me in the rain. See, this is why I brought my rain jacket. It's freaking pouring out here, and he just took off. He gone. He gone. Thanks, Kyle. So, hopefully this camera survives. I'm just gonna wander home in the rain. We don't worry about me. Oh, pardon me. Got a little shit box. Oh, here comes my ride. Open that rear right up. Did you see that? Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, jeez. All that horsepower.
God dang it.
Oh, man, oh, man. Well, let me tell you. Thanks for leaving me in the rain there, bud.
Yeah, I had to.
Oh, man.
Let's think about it for a minute.
Yeah, think about what I did, yeah. Yep. Oh, man, that rear, like, wants to lock, doesn't want to lock, opens up.
It felt like I was on ice talking.
Well, like we said.
Never mind.
Yeah. Alright, well, the old plow belly lives to do some burnouts another day.
Die another day.
What'd you do to this thing? You just turned the pump up a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just gave her a little how you doing.
There you go.
Wait, what pump?
God dang old people.
God dang. Keep up, god dang. So, I guess I get to go home to Mama a little early tonight and get some good old dinner. That's cool. I can go to bed because I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. Look at him over there. Somebody's a little upset. Oh.
Spin.
So, we're gonna send this thing out, get it rebuilt, and by a professional. Not saying I'm not a professional, because I've taken classes, believe it or not.
Time to go bigger.
Yeah, we got some plans for it. So we'll be back in a couple days. Well, I don't know. It depends on how big Kyle's wallet is right now. We'll be back.
Just don't want to.
Yeah. We'll be back making smoke, doing burnouts, making whistly sounds. Sorry, buddy. I just don't want to see you really waste your money. I'd love to see you waste your money, but not that way. So, back to Mama's house, get some good cooking, get dried up, and go see the pups. Adios. It's been real, it's been fun. It's been real fun. You're so upset. Look at this boy.
I wanted to make a cocoon today.
Look how upset he is.
I'm just gonna go out to the toilet and make a cocoon.
On that note, see you later, fools. Boop. Alright guys, just wanted to take a minute and say thank you to all you for liking, subscribing, sticking around for my hiatus. We're coming back. we are going to still have a lot of fun, do some cool stuff, and yeah, we got some builds sitting around. I'm currently working more on my house than on my projects, we'll say. Got something in my eyeball. So we'll be back at Kyle's house when he gets the turbo. We'll slap that thing in, and we will go take her out for a little road trip, maybe down to Mexico and do some fun stuff. It's a little bit of a ride from New Jersey to Mexico, but with Kyle driving, I'm sure we could do it pretty quick. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Oh, got a text message. Oh, Jesus. Blowing up. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Again, I know this video wasn't all that much informative and whatnot, but Kyle, yeah, the turbo's fine, dude. We'll rebuild it. It'll be a sweet video. So, either way, we'll be back. Thank you. Thank all of you. Stick around for more.